My name's Rhiannon and today we're going to be exploring the season spring. It's the season before summer and after winter. Are you ready? Let's go!
Fun fact number 1.
Spring is the time of year where the days start to get longer. The sun rises earlier in the morning and it sets later in the evenings, which is why it's my favourite time of year, as it's easier to wake up in the morning and you get to spend more time having fun outside.
Fun fact number 2.
Spring is the time of year where the once bare trees start to grow their leaves again. As you can see behind me, these trees are still looking quite bare. But if you come over here and we look a little bit closer, you can see the buds starting to form. Now, as spring goes on, these buds will slowly start to grow into leaves. Ready for the summertime to start collecting food. But why do trees need leaves? Good question. Now, trees need leaves in order to survive. The leaves collect sunlight, water and carbon dioxide and turn it into sugars in order to feed themselves. Now, they get rid of their leaves in autumn, ready to hibernate in winter when there's not much daylight. But as spring comes and the days start to get longer with more daylight, they get the energy they need to start growing their leaves again, so that the leaves are out in full force, ready for summertime to start soaking up those rays.
Fun fact number 3.
Spring is one of the most colourful seasons, with lots of spring flowers popping up everywhere. Now, I found some here. Does anybody know what these are called? That's right, they're called daffodils, and they're often the first thing to come out and let us know that springtime has arrived. Now let's see what other spring flowers we can find. Let's go! Oh, look what we found over here. Now, spring flowers are easier to find because of their bright colours. Now, these ones are called snowdrops. Let's get a closer look. Does anybody know what colour they are? That's right, they're white and green. Now, they're called snowdrops because they literally do drop like a snowdrop. I found some here, come and have a look. Now, they're very small, so you must be very careful when you're near them, not to tread on them. Does anybody know what colour these are? They're purple and they've got orange centres. Now, the leaves are open nice and wide like this one to start getting the warmth from the daylight. These are called crocus.
Fun fact number 4.
Spring is the time of year where animals come out of hibernation. Animals like bats, hedgehogs and squirrels have been hibernating in their dens through the cold winter months. As the days get warmer and longer in spring is when they start coming out and searching for food. It's also the time where lots of animals start looking for a mate to make babies with. Now, this is particularly true of birds, who can have up to 2 or 3 broods of babies each year. Isn't that a lot? Now birds will start searching for materials around to make their nests with. They will use things like twigs, sticks, grass, bark, and even your dog's fur. Now, if you want to help out the birds in your local area, if you've got a dog at home, give them a nice big brush. Then take the fur out of the brush, find a secret spot to pop it in your garden, and you never know, a bird might come along, swoop it away and make it in their nest to make it nice and warm.
Fun fact number 5.
Oh, hi, sorry, I didn't see you there. Yep, you guessed it. Spring is the time of year where we celebrate Easter. It's when the Easter Bunny comes out of hibernation and hides lots of yummy chocolates for us to find. It's also the time of year, if you're religious, when the resurrection of Jesus Christ took place. It's when Jesus rose from his tomb to celebrate hope and joy to all. I hope you enjoyed the video, everybody. Next time you're out and about, why don't you see what you can find? Thanks for watching. Bye.